It's bath time. But this is no ordinary Saturday. It's gonna be a bubble bath blizzard. And here are the top 10 to 15 key character points. Number 10, Toby. He loves bubble baths, just a little too much. Number 9, Maya, Toby's older sister, always trying to follow the rules until she's swept up in the bubble madness. Number 8, Mom. She warns, only one capful, but then gets distracted by an important phone call. Dad tries to fix the overflow, but ends up trapped in a mountain of bubbles in the hallway. Heh! Number 7, Grandma Joe. She thinks it's snowing and grabs her mittens. Bubbles the dog. He loves the foam and starts surfing on a laundry basket. Number 5, Mr. Fluffins, the grumpy cat who disappears into a bubble avalanche. The BathBot 3000, a robot meant to help clean, but it multiplies the bubbles instead. Number 4, Toby's toy submarine. It comes to life in the overflowing tub and declares, Captain of the Bubble Sea. The Bubble Monster, a giant suds creature that forms in the kitchen and tries to take over snack time. The Mailman. He opens the door and gets swallowed by a wall of foam. The neighbor kids think it is a new water park and join in for a bubble battle royale. Maya's science notebook. It gets soaked, but it inspires her to invent a bubble vacuum. With the clean-up crew, everyone works together to stop the foamy flood with towels, teamwork and laughter. The final splash. Just when they think it's over, the washing machine joins in the fun. Phew! Have you ever created a bubble explosion? Maybe not a blizzard, but close. Next time you take a bath, imagine, what if the bubbles never stopped? What if the tub turned into an ocean? Try writing your own bubble bath adventure. Draw the creatures, name your bubble kingdom, and share it with someone who loves to laugh. And remember, always check the cap before you pour.